What's up to all the viewers? This is me. This is my little cousin Cameron. We got ourselves our fidget spinner, as you can see. I got mine for $5. He got his from Cinema Share.
17 bucks.
17 bucks. How you like that? Now, with the fidget spinner, it's all about keeping you away from biting your fingers, entertaining you,
ADHD.
and people with ADHD, stress, nervousness. People with autism got this too.
Autism? What is autism?
People with mental disability, with autism. Yeah, so I got mine for $5, and also,
Where?
as you can see, there's no cover.
Here's the cover. Where?
Push out the two side cover, the black cover. How did you take yours out?
Yeah, don't get your paint on that.
What? Look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
Did you already get paint on your shirt?
Look,
Wait.
he took his one out. Oh
I
man!
can't take out this one now.
Why don't you put something else on?
Check it out! Check it out!
If you want to take it out, you just need a pen. Or be strong enough to use it. Like, take it out, okay? Not
That is awesome. Now it works. Now he's gonna try mine. You cannot take it out. It's already glued in. Somebody glued it in, so it doesn't come out. So, hey, look, my cousin got one. Look at that, the blue one.
my other one.
And Cameron's other one, and there's a camouflage one that he got too.
I got this one.
Look at that camouflage one.
Okay, now because you look like.
Say hi.
Hi.
Alright.